Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. This is 2025. I am a YouTuber. I record videos for my social media. Mostly, I record my videos indoor, inside, in a room. Before, I was recording my videos from Android mobile phone. Now, I got this iPhone 13 having a lightning jack. And with the Android, like during recording, I want to see my recording live on the monitor. Currently, I have Dell 24-inch screen size monitor which having the HDMI input and also display port input, right? So this is the type C HDMI adapter which connect with the iPhone 15 and the higher variants of the iPhone, but it cannot be working or it cannot get connected with the iPhone 13 or those iPhone which have the lightning jack. I tried to connect this type C HDMI adapter using the lightning to USB adapter but didn't work. And this one also lightning to type C adapter but didn't work. And this type C HDMI adapter is actually having USB 3.0 port, HDMI port and power supply with from the type C. This is very better option, good option, because at the same time the phone will get charged also after connecting the supply with this adapter, and at the same time after connecting the HDMI cable with this port I can see my live recording on the monitor. And if I want, at the same time, I can transfer my data from the USB to mobile phone, Android, laptop, whatever the type C device I have, and I can transfer the data from the other device to the USB stick using this USB port. Not only this, like I am a YouTuber, I record videos. I can use my wireless mic also connecting with this USB port during recording. So at the same time, I can see the recording live on my monitor with the HDMI connector, and I can use the wireless mic also. So at first, I thought I should visit local market to check what options they have. If I find something, I will instantly buy the things, like they are searching on the internet, ordering it, then it will deliver to my country, like taking almost 15 to 20 days. Then I went to market, and at first I got this type of HDMI adapter, lightning to HDMI adapter. The brand name that I got 2 or 3 days before is the Dongcast, which was totally confusing connecting it with the iPhone 13. At first, when I connect the power supply and HDMI, then it shows something on the screen, like you have to download the application by scanning the QR code. Okay, I did that. After opening the application on the iPhone, the firmware serial number which was coming on my monitor after connecting the adapter cannot be found on the provided list of the firmware. So it didn't work for me. I returned that adapter. Then I bought these two adapters. So which one best among these both? Let's find out. First, I will talk about this one, the Lightning Digital AV adapter. I cannot read here anything like plug and play, but this is plug and play. It does not require any firmware upgrade or update, nothing. Just connect the adapter and you will see straightly your iPhone screen on the external monitor or external TV. Let me tell you that I do not have the Android TV. For like if I have the Android TV, I can straightly using the screen mirroring feature connecting the iPhone 13 wirelessly, but I do not have Android TV. I have the Dell monitor which does not have the screen mirroring feature. So I have to use the Lightning HDMI adapter. Now this one is cheap if comparing it with the official Apple Lightning to HDMI adapter. Lightweight plastic body, cable is strongly connected, no losing, good quality cable, good quality, cheap price. So this one is also Lightning Digital AV adapter, and it says that plug and play. So this one is little bit bigger and it also more cheaper than this one. This is what I can see on the back side of the box. This is maybe the aluminum body or maybe the metal body, but quality is good. The cable is also in a good quality. There is no losing. We got HDMI connector, HDMI port, output, and the VGA output connector also, and the digital audio video connector, like connecting the 3.5 mm jack cable also it works. And we have to give power supply. Now this one have a lightning connector, like giving a power supply we have to connect the lightning cable of the Apple charger, iPhone charger. But this one is having a mini USB 2.0 connector. Cable also provided, USB to mini USB. A user manual is provided in the box. I will keep one of it after checking the demonstration. First, let me demo this one. So I will not use the provided cable. Instead of using this cable, I have something, let me show. So I have the converter, the adapter, which converts the type C into mini USB. So I will connect my type C charger, this one. This cable is connected with the Samsung mobile phone charger. So now this cable is converted from type C to the mini USB. Well, I do not have VGA connector on my monitor, so I will not use this one. I will use the HDMI. At first, I will connect HDMI cable with the adapter, and the other side of the HDMI already connected with my Dell monitor, which is in 24-inch screen size. Now we have to connect power supply also. As soon I connect the power supply, the adapter will power on. You can see it came on my monitor screen. I have this one, plug and play mode, and this one for the Android. So this adapter can be work on Android and on iPhone also. Scan this QR code for upgrade. Any firmware provided, the updated firmware I can update also, but I will not go for this. Now I will connect the lightning cable which is connected with the adapter to the iPhone 13. As soon I connect the cable with the iPhone will start getting charge also, and after a few seconds the iPhone 13 screen will come on my monitor. The screen will gets off on this monitor also. Swipe to unlock it. Okay, you can see, if I talk about the quality on the monitor, it is actually not bad, and I will say not actually that good. I can see some disturbance, little bit minor disturbance, and little bit flickering also. I can see that, like with the white color, with the blue color, there is a small amount of flickering going on. Yes, there is a lag. Well, this one is a little cheaper from the other one, the one I'm going to show, but this one is cheaper, that is why cheaper have a small lag using the mobile phone. Now I will open the camera. This is the portrait mode of the camera. Monitor is also showing my camera in portrait mode. If I want to see my camera in landscape, let's see, I will tap to video mode. Then I will change my mobile phone to the landscape mode. On my monitor, there is no change. Actually, this adapter is not supporting to change the life on my monitor to the landscape, right? Yes, you can see that mobile phone is actually shifted to the landscape, but the monitor still in the portrait mode. I will get back to the portrait mode. Okay, it is now portrait mode, and on the portrait mode on my Dell monitor is showing accurate things which right now is on my mobile phone screen. If I turn to landscape mode, which is already now, you can see the timer is now on the top side, but the monitor is showing same in portrait mode. Yes, although it is in landscape, but the monitor is not shifting the screen to the landscape mode. Now I will try to run a video on YouTube. So this is my channel video, which is right now playing on my iPhone. Well, right now the phone is portrait mode and the monitor is also showing in portrait mode. Let me turn the video in landscape mode. The video is now in landscape mode and the monitor is also shifted to the landscape mode. I can see the video in landscape mode on both screen, like on the iPhone screen and also on the monitor screen. So this adapter is actually supporting, if we want to play video in landscape mode, the monitor will also show in landscape mode. Quality, I can see that not bad. quality of the video on the monitor actually good. Okay, I will disconnect this adapter. Now I will try to use the another adapter. Okay, I will close everything and I will go back to normal. Now disconnecting this adapter from the iPhone 13, and I will disconnect everything, and I will keep this adapter side. It is time to demo this lightning to HDMI adapter. Let me tell you that this adapter is actually little bit expensive comparing it with this adapter. So I will use this lightning cable to give a power supply to this lightning to HDMI adapter. This is the official iPhone adapter that I'm going to use. At first, I will connect HDMI cable with this adapter. Then I will connect power supply of the lightning cable to this lightning to HDMI adapter. As soon I connect the power supply, the adapter will power on, and definitely you will see some things on the external monitor. You can see right now scan QR code for use. Well, I already scanned the QR code and I already downloaded the application which comes with this HDMI adapter. Let me show the application. The Mira plug is the application that you can see on my iPhone, already downloaded after scanning the QR code, connecting this lightning to HDMI adapter with the iPhone 13. After a few seconds, the monitor will definitely show the screen, live screen of my iPhone 13 on my external monitor, which is in 24-inch screen size. The cable is connected, HDMI cable, and the power supply of the lightning iPhone adapter connected with my HDMI adapter, which is connected with my iPhone 13, having a lightning cable connector and lightning jack. What about the quality of the iPhone screen on my monitor? Comparing it with this adapter, the one I just demo, right? The current one, this one is having a very best quality. Yes, I can see on my monitor. Colors are good, icons color are good, I can read the fonts very clearly. Yes, I can see the picture very sharp. What about the lag? Like I check the other device, the adapter, this one having a lag. Let's see if this one is having a lag or not. No, this one does not have lag. Very smooth, animation smooth, the transition smooth. Yes, I cannot see a lag here. Maybe a very small amount of delay, very small amount, which is actually not countable. But definitely I will say that I'm going to keep this adapter, the white one, which is actually showing the result very good in quality. Now let me check the camera application. I am going to open the camera application on my iPhone 13. I will turn to the video mode. Right now, the picture you can see on my iPhone screen is in portrait mode. The timer is on the top side near to the earpiece, right? And the on monitor you can see the picture also in portrait mode. Now let me shift my mobile to landscape. Okay, the mobile phone shifted to the landscape. The timer which was here came to this side. And you can see that the monitor is also shifted to the landscape. Well, when I was using this adapter, which have HDMI and VGA output also, it was not shifting to the landscape while using a camera application. But this adapter is actually working fabulously, also shifting the camera mode to the landscape, which is really good for the YouTube content creator who is recording and want to see the stuff on the monitor, like the landscape. Always we used to record videos in landscape mode, so the thing that on the monitor is coming same just like the iPhone is showing. If I shift the mobile phone to the portrait mode, the monitor will also back to the portrait mode. Now let me play a video. Let me open my YouTube. Same video I'm going to play. Right now, same thing is coming on my monitor. What I can see on my iPhone 13 screen. Let me change the mode. So right now it is full screen but in a portrait mode. I will shift my mobile phone to landscape. Okay, the phone got shifted to the landscape and the monitor is also actually shifted to the landscape, and I found the video quality is much better the from this adapter. While this adapter is little bit cheap, this one is little bit expensive comparing it with this one. Yes, although we are getting a good quality with the white one. The quality of the video picture quality is good, very clear, very sharp. Things I can see clearly on my monitor. So those who are using a lightning jack iPhone and they want to watch the things on the external monitor, like if you want to watch a movie on a big screen, or if you have a lightning jack iPhone, if you want to connect wirelessly, if you have an option on TV on monitor, you can do that. Or if you don't have a option of the wireless or screen mirroring, you can use the cable if you have this cable or if you have this HDMI adapter. I use this iPhone on my monitor to record my videos, to check the live whatever I am doing on while recording, to see the things clearly on my external LCD or LED monitor. So definitely I'm going to keep this one, disconnecting the adapter from the iPhone 13, and I will disconnect the cable also, HDMI cable. Now this is the best choice for me. Comparing it with the iPhone official adapter, this is very cheap. Do comment in comment section if you have any question. Thank you so much. Like the video, subscribe my channel also. See you next time. Tata, bye bye.